The focus of the tutorial this week is in the importing and exporting of Mobius models. We will also be creating an embeddable and shareable link to allow others to view our creation. The tutorial has been broken into 3 parts using 3-part Mobius files. In the first part we will generate the urban context. Similarly, in the second part we export 2 options for the Podium Tower. In the third part, we will import the urban context and tower options which was generated earlier and combine them together. After combining, the final model is published with a shareable link for viewing. Let's start with the part 1. The geolocation is set for the plot context. Plot and road data is imported to the model using the io.import function. Links to the open repository where the plot and road data file is inserted here. Then the context is generated simultaneously. As previous weeks, we use global user-defined functions to generate the urban context. Perimeter blocks, corner blocks, slab blocks, row blocks and heritage blocks are individually generated. In the final node, we merge all the blocks and export the context to the local storage or hard disk using io.export function. You can view the export in the local storage and download the GI file. We will save the exported file on an online repository, and create a publicly viewable link. You can use Dropbox, GitHub, or in this case we use Amazon S3 Cloud Storage Service. Make sure you provide public access to the file, which can be later used to import into Mobius using the link.